In the previous video, I ran the AI automatic redaction using the smiley face over here. In this video, I will go over the functions available in the Objects Detection panel and how to unredact specific objects. First, let's watch the video and see who we want to unredact. I'll go ahead and unredact these two individuals here by right-clicking on the redaction box and selecting Disable. This option is different from the Delete from All Frames option because you can put the redaction back onto the screen, whereas the Delete from All Frames does not give you that undo option. This can be very helpful if we want to unredact one person in our video, but keep everyone else redacted. Each time your object moves out of frame and comes back, the software detects it as a new object, so we will have to unredact each time the individual comes back into frame. We can also do this from the Objects Detection panel by clicking the eye icon, but first let's use the Go To Position icon to go to the first frame that the object appears in, which is this object with a red redaction border, and now let's click the eye icon. And now we can see that the redaction box is no longer on the screen. We can use the Go To Position icon to check any objects that are hard to identify in the Object Detection panel and unredact multiple objects. The lock icon will lock the redaction on the object and will not let us delete or edit from the screen. And this View All icon will open a window to show all the frames that the object appeared in. From here, we can select one or more frames to delete if the object detected was inaccurate. With the More Options icon, we can select Edit, which will open up the Edit Effects window. Here, we can choose to change the name, shape, and effect, as well as the redaction reason for the selected redaction. We can also choose to delete the selected redaction from the More Options icon. The tools at the bottom will let you apply bulk operation on the selected objects, or all of them by selecting the checkbox at the bottom. We have the option to select the same tools such as Disable, Edit, Delete, or View All, but we are also able to select Merge Effects, which will group all of the selected objects into one object and apply the effect to it. And from the More Options icon here, we can choose to remove flickering, which lets us fill the gap between the redaction boxes, as well as choose to classify results if we chose not to classify them in our AI detection settings. And at the top, we can use the search bar to search for an exact object. To help with this, let's open up the advanced options and check the Show Titles box and apply. This will show the title of each object above it, such as Head 4, Head 5, or License Plate 1. Happy redacting!